Nicolò, te volevi buscare? Invece no. Okay, Trastevere is the name of the beautiful old town opposite side of the river. There's plenty of restaurants and it's really very enjoyable. So I would end my walk there for a dinner there.
Okay, so now we'll start at the Pantheon.
Yeah. Pantheon, yes.
We'll
It's a Greek word.
Greek word.
Yeah.
We'll check out here and go to the Jewish town.
Yeah.
Go to the synagogue.
This is walking distance.
We're good, we'll do all that, yeah. Perfect.
Walking is the best way to experience Rome.
Day 2 here in Rome. We're going back to the Pantheon today, just because last night it was dark and we weren't able to.
Where come from, my bro? Where come from, my bro? Huh? You like him, man? I have a present for you, my bro.
Oh no, it's okay. Thank you. I think he did. So yeah, you see a lot of black people here selling on the street. It's common, but we're going back to the Pantheon just because yesterday we hello later we saw it when it was dark and it was closed, but right now it should be open. So that's what we're going to do. It should be open and we want to go inside and see it. So yeah, follow us on the journey. We're going to pass back some of the sites we went to yesterday, like found the Trevi Fountain. That's on the way to the Pantheon. I'm just retracing my step. Yeah, that's what we're up to today. Walking here on the street. And honestly, if I find one of those bags, leather bags, that I could put around my waist, I'm gonna get one. Yeah. Now, as you can see, we are at the Pantheon. It's honestly a beautiful sight. I think it's worthwhile. It's honestly worthwhile going in the day, because last night when we came, it was already closed. So I guess it closes at 7. So today we came back at around, right now it's, my watch has the wrong time. We came back at around 3 o'clock. I think that's the time now. Obviously it's packed. It's actually free. If you look up, actually I'm just over here, and that is the largest dome built in the Republic. So yeah, this is the Pantheon. By the way, right now it is used as a church, which is why it's free, because it's currently used as a church. I'm going to the front, and there's some chairs that people are actually sitting down. Behind me, I'm sure you see the Pantheon. Again, honestly, inside was really amazing. I think it is a must-see. In there, you'll see the tomb of Raphael. You'll see the tomb of one of the first kings. in Italy. It is truly amazing. Yes, it's a beautiful place. The streets are amazing. You know, these little alleyways are here. Yeah, and everything is walkable, by the way. So that's one way you can honestly plan to save money. So you're eliminating a budget on taxi or train, and you can take the train, they have them here, but you can walk everywhere, and it's actually recommended to do so. So yeah.